How to fix lag in Minecraft PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix lag in Minecraft PC. Check your installed memory by pressing the Windows logo key plus pause key together. You will see how much RAM space you have. Run Minecraft and click the menu button in the top right corner. Click on Launch Options, then go to the Advanced Settings and then Add New. Add a name, then click JVM Arguments. Change the XMX2G into XMX4G. XMX2G means XMX 2 GB of RAM. You can change 2 into 4 or 8 as you like. Then click on Save. Note that you can never have more RAM dedicated than you have installed on your computer, and there's no need to add more than 75% of your RAM for Minecraft. Back to the News tab, click the arrow button beside Play and choose the name you add. Then click on Play to check. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.